Hi, okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to know the display driver you are using on your PC, whether it's Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you can do, first of all, I want to tell you that there are two ways you can do this. So this is the first way, right? So the first way is to go to the search bar. This is the first step, and search for device manager. Yeah, and then you see and you click on it, right? You wait for it to load, and yep, yeah, it is. Okay, so on all the options you see there, don't get intimidated. It's just clearly displayed there, display adapters. That's where I want you to go to. So just click on display adapters. And when you click on it, it will show you the driver you are using. For some people, you might have more than one display driver, right? But if you want to know the display drivers you are using, just go to device manager and go to display adapters, and it is right here. So yeah, and if you want to know the properties of it, basically the background info of your display driver, just double tap on it and you can get all the information you want about your PC, the dates, if you want to update it, roll back, disable or uninstall the device. Okay, the second step, right, to check your display adapter or the display driver you are currently using on your PC, you can go to the settings app. So just go to the search bar, type the settings, and then click on it. Wait for it to load. Yeah, okay. So I want you to now go to system, click on system, click on display, go all the way down and click on advanced display. When you've clicked on this, I want you to click on display adapter properties for display one. So this is the part where you might have more than one display driver. So if you want to know the display driver you're using for any of the display drivers you currently have on your PC, this is the way forward. So for me, I have only one display driver. So you click on it and it gives you all the information you want about your display adapter, your VRAM, your shared memory, and everything. So, okay. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Check out.